get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know?
Folks, welcome back to my channel. It's Bexley here, and in today's video we are going to be showcasing Miss Thing. Her name is Bexley. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Bexley, Bexley. Bexley. Anyway, if you like what you see so far and you want to get into Miss Thing's sneaky deaky details and find out who's that girl, stay tuned. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video you can get notified. All right guys, let's get into folks. Now that we got her all the way together, I literally had to record this again because I did not like the way my eyebrows were looking with his hair. I felt like it was too dark and it was just doing too much. But let's get into Miss Thing's specs. Okay, so her name is Bexley. I don't know if you can see. And oh, there she goes. Yes. So this is her in the middle part. This is her middle part braided, and this is her side swoop. Now, she is the reason why I purchased her, because when I saw her like this, I said, if she can do it, then I can do it. But I did a middle part. Anyway, it doesn't even matter. So Miss Bexley, she is fully hand-tied 13 by 16. If I'm looking down, that's only because I'm reading. Okay, guys. She's ear-to-ear soft HD lace, natural baby hair. She comes pre-attached with elastic bands, pre-pluck hairline, heat-safe friendly, up to 400 degrees. She has the 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back. Baby hairs included. I said that already, but if you want to include baby hairs, include baby hairs. I'm good on that. She comes in a bunch of beautiful colors, and if I were to get her again, honestly, I'll probably get her in like a black. But let's see if I can. All right, here you go. She comes in all these beautiful colors here. The inside of her stock card just pretty much shows you the pre-customized perfection, her side details, and what she pretty much looks like in the front and in the back. And that's it on the details of Miss Bexley. I got her in the color 27. I should have maybe got her in a chocolate swirl, or maybe a golden amber would have been nice. Don't get me wrong, I love a good blonde, but technically when I do a good blonde, it usually has black roots and then falls into the blonde. So this is maybe the first time, I might be lying, that I'm wearing a full blondish wig this color. Maybe. Okay. So that is the details of Miss Thing. Now, let's get into my opinions. I really like the way she looks. This bone straight is so sexy. Something about bone straight long hair is just Now I got this color for the summertime, but naturally I would probably go for a 1B in this color, because in a 1B, girl, I'll be styling and profiling, you hear me? And in the 1B, I'll be able to wear her often. And this color, I feel like I have to do a lot with my face in order for me to wear her, if that makes sense. But other than that, she's very pretty. Does she tingle? Yes, she does. Does she shed? Yes, she does. What else? I paid she's very affordable. I paid under $50 for her. And I'm not gonna lie, she's gorgeous. See the tangling? She is gorgeous. You would have to probably walk with a comb or brush just to get the tangles out. But other than that, let me get in closer so you can see what Miss Bexley is giving over here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? She is beautiful. Okay, where would I wear Miss Bexley to? Definitely to a party. I would wear her to something formal, where I had to wear like a little cute little black dress. You know, something just, I don't know, she is screaming sexy, sophisticated, dramatic, like look, you know? Are you feeling me? You understand what I'm saying here? She is, ooh, she is definitely a wig to have in your collection, for sure. For sure. And I don't even have her tacked down all the way, but as you can see, she's pretty. Yeah, she's nice. I love her. I love her. Would I buy her again? I would, but again, I would buy her in a 1B. I would get her in a dark color, because I don't know, for some reason I feel like dark colors with wigs, one, last longer, two, I don't feel like it tangles as much, you know, because you got to put all that dye and stuff like that. Anyway, yeah, I would get her in a darker color or a chocolate brown swirl. She's beautiful. She's fine. Gorgeous. She's all that in the back. She got me looking like I can steal somebody's man. Oh, she know? Y'all don't think so? I think so. Who can out there 1B stole? Nobody? No? Okay. Okay, to sum everything up, Miss Bexley is a beautiful, straight, bone straight wig. If I didn't have my flat iron, I have it in the other room where the babies are sleeping, I would like literally bone straight her, like just that 400 be like to make her just like sit pretty the way that I really want her to. But she's good right now. But she is a really cute wig for the summer, and she's giving those nice bold colors. Like these are like different types of blondes in one. You know what I'm saying? Like she's just beautiful. She is gorgeous. Go out and get Miss Bexley. Outre, you done did it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will make sure to put the link for her in my description box below, so you can go ahead and cop her and put her in your collection. Because the girls are coming out. We outside this summer. And we outside with Miss Bexley. So make sure you guys stay safe, stay blessed. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.